When Zlatan Ibrahimovic spotted a bug on his opponent's ear, he quickly stepped in to swat it away kindly, and the two promptly tumbled to the ground laughing. Andy Robertson massaged the back of Lionel Messi's head after Messi fell, and Messi later returned the favor by massaging him the same way to show his gratitude. A player in white noticed the opposing head coach was worn out, so he urged him to lie down and rest right away, and the substitutes flocked over to hug him and express their thanks. When Jose Mourinho noticed the camera lens was dirty, he immediately grabbed his water cup to clean it for the crew. Zlatan and Romelu Lukaku locked eyes affectionately on the field, and they didn't pull apart until their teammates arrived. Even after separating, they still exchanged affectionate words from a distance. Seeing Dani Alves was exhausted from taking the corner kick, an opponent tossed him a banana to replenish his energy, and Alves immediately picked it up and took a big bite, chewing away. Aaron Torres and Stefan Savic helped each other up, which truly embodied the warmth of football.